Last week we made a bacon wrapped chicken cordon bleu that came out really good. Today I was in the mood for a baked potato, and that's when the light bulb went off. Why can't I make a bacon wrapped baked potato cordon bleu? That's a lot of words for you. Bacon, potatoes, ham, cheese. Should be real easy to make. I don't know that anybody's done this. I haven't researched it, but we're going to certainly give it a shot here on Cook! Don't be lazy! So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about cutting a wedge. Almost like you're taking out a wedge French fry out of your baked potato. Don't cut all the way through. Just get that wedge out. Alright? We don't need that part. Now what I want to do is probably put a little salt in there. Seemed like I put a lot, but I've got very little salt left in there, so I shook a little more than what really came out. I'm going to put some pepper in there. And what I'm thinking with, I've never tried this, so this is me experimenting. I'm going to take my ham and my cheese. Now I did learn from the previous video with the chicken cordon bleu, the bacon wrapped chicken cordon bleu. I left a pro tip: put your cheese inside the ham. That way not all of it squeezes out. And now you got cheese and ham. So what I'm thinking about doing is, you know what, let me see if I can take this guy out real quick. I'm going to take a little cheese. I'm going to put it on the sides. That way I have extra cheese. So cheese on each side of the wall. And then put your ham and cheese in the center. So take a piece of bacon and wrap it. You're going to need 2 slices of bacon to get this to work properly. So I'm going to continue off. Now, you know what? I'm going to start up here. Just like that, looking nice and pretty. Take 2 toothpicks. Oh my gosh, I gotta sneeze. It might be the pepper. I'm gonna try to hold it. So the toothpicks are gonna serve twofold. One is gonna identify where my top is, because I don't want to accidentally flip this underneath. And 2, it's gonna hold the bacon in place once this bacon starts to shrivel. Take a baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil. Ta-da! Let me do the rest. So I've got 3 bacon wrapped potato cordon bleus, soon to be baked potato cordon bleus, going right into our preheated oven. Don't forget 375. We're going to bake it for about 50 minutes. In the meantime, make your entree, make another side. But I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to drink me a little milk. All I gotta do is figure out how to cut through this bacon, probably with a knife. And then after that, it's time to plate up. Bacon wrapped baked potato cordon bleu with a side of steak, some steak sauce, and some milk equates to us eating like kings tonight here on Cook! Don't be lazy!